Hi dear, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create text outer line wrap effect in Photoshop. So let's start. First choose a beautiful image which you can download from pexel.com. There you can download unlimited free images and videos. I am going to use this beautiful image. Now select pen tool and draw an outer line. You can curve line by dragging. After click it and Alt plus click on anchor point to start line from that point. Now select type tool by mouse or press T for that and click anywhere of line and choose any font style and color. After that, type something. You can copy and paste your text or simply go to text menu and choose paste Lorem Ipsum option. I am going to choose this. Now go to this icon which is add a layer style, and choose any option. I choose stroke option for border and its color black and stroke size. Now you can manage it like text transform, letter space and font size, etc. Follow these steps. After finish steps you can move it by pressing Ctrl plus T for transform and pressing arrow key on your computer keyboard. It looks fine. I hope you like this video and learn this effect. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and shares it to others. Thanks for watching.